What's up, guys? We're back with another video, and today we're working on the extended cab. We're putting some LEDs on the front, guys, and we're adding some decals, and we're also working on the truck on the 2020 project. So y'all stay tuned. But I want to show you one thing, guys, and y'all gonna say yes or no. It's only a sneak peek, guys. It's a sneak peek, so y'all don't get excited, because we still have a long way to go for this. But y'all say yes or y'all say no. It's gonna be y'all's decision. Alright, guys, since last video we dropped the truck. We dropped the truck and the little corner plating. The corner SS plating. There's a little sneak peek, guys. A little sneak peek. It's not on there, right? But that's the corner. That's the fender plating. So yeah, guys, what do y'all think? It's a little small sneak peek. Should we or should we not? Y'all let me know. But let's go ahead, guys, and get these LEDs installed. See how they look. Let's get to it. Alright, guys, so it's the following day, and we're actually working on the 2020. I'm out here by myself, and today, guys, we're actually tackling the fuel tank. We actually had to swap it out for the short bed fuel tank. We're gonna go ahead and see how it fits, the fitment on it. Hopefully it fits good. My boy Wedo out there right now. He's mad at me, but shit, we're about to find out. Alright, guys, so by looking at it, like from on top, it looks like it's gonna fit perfectly with the frame over there. I don't know if y'all can see that cross member. Obviously, the thing goes with the straps from here connected to down here, from here connected to down here, and it should fit. It should fit. Shouldn't be no problems, but we're about to find out. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the jack under the tank, and we're gonna lift it, see how it does, see what it does. All right, guys, update on the tank. So it fits perfect. It's just on there for now for fitment purposes, but everything's looking good. Waiting on the dry shaft next. And we still have to run the harnesses back. Obviously, all this coating is going to be cleaned up and redone. We have the frame welded, as you can see. Some patches where we had to cut the mounts off. So we just filled them in a little bit, you know. But there she is, guys. There she is. Alright, guys, so that's the update on the single cab. We just wanted to fit the tank and make sure everything was lining up as it should. Everything looks okay. We're gonna be waiting on the dry shaft next. But if you want to see more on this truck, guys, you want to see like the full process on this build, give it a thumbs up. You know, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you want to see this. This truck is gonna go all the way, guys. I'm talking about all the way. Y'all see my boy's Ford, you know, he has intros and everything. When I'm talking about the 2020 is going all the way, guys, I'm pretty sure it's going all the fucking way, guys. So if you want to see more of this build, hit that like button. Don't forget, guys, subscribe, share it with your friends, with your mom, with your dad, with whoever. But right now, guys, we're gonna get going. I'm gonna cut my hair, and saludos para el blog, ¿qué, señor? Dígale aquí a la raza donde anda aquí radicando. Chingo de raza, no, cuz.
Perseverancia.
Woo, fresh cut. If y'all need a haircut, hit my boy up. My boy Kubo right here. The little info, cuz.
Hit me up, 713-325-3994. I'm here all day.
All day, every day, right here in Houston for a haircut during this quarantine. He's the man. I'm gonna put his link right here, Facebook link.
DM me on the...
So I can hit him up.
Appreciate you.
Pop the hood. So le vamos a meter estas LEDs on the truck cause my girl can't see for shit. Right, babe? You can't see? So we're gonna put the top ones. We're gonna put the top ones on right now, guys, because ya está dark y no se mira nada. Estamos afuera, pero no se miran. So we're gonna put the top ones on, and then tomorrow since tomorrow Houston opens again, we're gonna go to King's Flea Market and we're gonna buy some fog lights for this truck. Yeah, I can't see, but let me turn the light on. I'm gonna turn the light on, guys, but it don't work. Still lights up the same. Oh, ya chingué. Ooh, she looks much better. Blue lights in the front, missing the fog lights, but it's getting there. It's getting there, guys. But I want to show you one more thing, guys, before the night ends, because it's not going to be the end of the video, but it's going to be the end of the day. If y'all remember the truck, the OBS from the last video, le dimos un baby drop. It's too far, I can't see, cuz. Pon la luz. Y'all probably can't see it all that good. It's leaning. You got that that North Carolina squat. But she's getting there, guys. Flip kit. Still no C-notch. We don't know if we're gonna run the C-notch or not. I think we are. But we're gonna leave that up to my brother-in-law, see what he thinks. Truck's looking nice. Una waxeadita para que brille así. What y'all think? So it's the next day, guys. I already stopped at Harbor Freight. Picked up some stuff that I needed for the 2020 project. And right now we're at King's Flea Market. We're gonna pick up some LEDs for the fog lights, for the truck and for the Trailblazer. And we'll see what else we run into. But they're still closed. Probably like 10-20 more minutes. We'll go in there, see what they got, show y'all. Alright, guys, for the flea market, the mall, whatever, King's, it was actually closed. They were open, but not everything was open. So I couldn't get the LEDs. But right now we're gonna go to the muffler shop, guys. We're gonna go and see if I can, I'm gonna weld the C-notch for sure. And the pipes hitting on the truck, on the differential, the exhaust pipe. I'm gonna see if either I'm gonna cut it off or raise it up a little bit. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna go to Al's Mufflers. They used to be in Pasadena. Well, they're still in Pasadena, but they moved. They used to be off of Pasadena Boulevard and Harris. Now they're over here on Fairmont. I don't fuck with Aces at all. Like, their prices are up there for just the same shit I could get anywhere else. So we're gonna go to Al's and get this shit done. I'll see y'all there. So we're right here at Al's, and they got this Denali. I guess like a 0506 Denali. Woo! Look at that, guys. Nice setup. Nice. I don't know whose it is, but looks slow. I think. Alright guys, so we picked up the dry shaft. It's metal, and we got it at CT's Dry Shafts here in Houston off of Griggs Road. If y'all looking for any dry shaft needs, if you need a custom dry shaft, you need to cut your dry shaft, they can do it, guys. They do good work. Been here forever. That's the address, that's their number. But now we're gonna head home. Now we're gonna head to my boy's house, really, and see what's up. All right, guys, so we made it to my boy's house. The dry shaft looks like it's gonna fit. I already got it right there in place. It's already connected to the transmission. Now we're gonna put it connected to the differential. Should have the bolts right here. Somewhere right here. But let me go ahead and put this on, guys. We'll go from there. Dry shaft is in, and they're fitting perfect, guys, with enough clearance in the front. But it's in, guys. It's connected. Next thing we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna shorten this harness. We're gonna have to splice, solder, heat shrink, and make all this harness a little bit shorter, real nice and neat along this area right here. Along this area, hopefully we get it nice and perfect. Everything else is lining up. The rest of the harness, the rest of the body harness to the back is lining up pretty good. Everything else lines up. We just need to take care of this sagginess right here. We just need to take care of that sagginess, guys, on that harness. But that's gonna be pretty much it for today's video, guys. I know we didn't get much done. We just fitted the tank, got the dry shaft, and we put some LEDs on the truck. Got the C-notch welded. But I'm trying to make my channel more into a blogging channel of a daily, you know, messing around with the trucks and shit. But don't forget, guys, if you like what you see, share this, share it with your friends, with your family, with anybody that you think that might be interested in something like this. If you want to see more on this truck, guys, let me know. More videos are coming. Not in full detail, guys, like I said before, because this is not my project, and you know, I cannot take ownership over it. But with that being said, guys, don't forget, God is good. Keep pushing.